Welcome, this is Information Service Engineering, lecture number 3, Linked Data Engineering. First, we give you a short overview about the content of the lecture. In this lecture now, we are talking about linked data on the web. And data on the web should not only be understandable for humans, it should also be understandable for machines. But for this, we need specific prerequisites. This is not so easy to achieve. So therefore, first we will talk about what does it take to enable understanding data on the web. And to achieve this, we will see that there is an entire framework already existing, which is called the Linked Data Framework or Semantic Web Framework that we will refer to in the course of this lecture. And as a very first thing we will learn is how do we identify an object, a thing, or an abstract concept that we are talking about on the web. And we will do this with the help of so-called URIs, Uniform Resource Identifiers.
Then we are going to see what the RDF is, or the Resource Description Framework is, and how to use it in order to represent facts. After that, we will continue checking what are the different formats or serializations that we have in RDF and emphasizing the one that we are going to use here, which is going to be the Turtle RDF serialization. And then we are going to move and see what is the RDF schema or RDFS as it's called, and what are the extra semantics we can get from it.
The main difference between using RDF and RDFS to model your data, in difference to any traditional data modeling framework or system, is that RDF and RDFS is based on a formal logic. And this formal logic enables that, for example, you can create new information from already existing information by doing deductions or logical inferences. So you make explicit already existing implicit knowledge. And this, of course, is a huge advantage and a huge difference with exactly this kind of knowledge and data representation. So, now let's start and understand data on the web.